Welcome back, my friends. It's GMAT Gladiator again. Now if you have a look at this question deals with averages, and we'll show how to do this question with a very innovative technique generally known as the method of alligation. Let's see how this can be done. Now let me explain the question first. Joe's Donuts produce 30 donuts an hour for the initial H hours. Then after the end of H hours, it increased the production to 120 donuts an hour for precisely 1 hour. Now 30 and 120 is given as average 1 and average 2. In between these two, if I consider the overall average for the initial H plus the next 1 hour, so for a total of H plus 1 hour, the total average is 40 donuts an hour. Now let's see how, and we need to find the value of H. So let's see how this can be done. Let's say the first average is A1, the second average is A2. The initial average given to us is 30 donuts per hour, and the second average is given to us as 120 donuts an hour. We are also given the total average, and that is 40 donuts per hour. Now let's draw a vertical line here. Anything left of this line belongs to A1 and anything right of this line belongs to A2. Now let's form an X like this as shown and do the operation in this direction and in this direction with higher value minus lower value. So 120 minus 40 will give you 80. 40 minus 30, because 40 here is the higher value, which will give you 10. Now let's understand what this 80 and 10 represents. Now this precisely means to have an overall average of 40, the time taken for A1 and A2 must be in the ratio 80:10 or 8:1. And mind you, we are also given the time taken for which the production was 120 donuts an hour, and that is precisely 1 hour. If the time for A2 is 1 hour and A1 is to A2, the time spent must be in the ratio 8:1. Therefore, the time for 30 donuts per hour must be 8 hours, and hence the answer is E. I hope you like this concept. Thank you.